Today's session has given the students a really in-depth perspective on what it means to be a consultant. I think the students got a lot of real-life realities into being a consultant and what that actually means. Also lots of understanding into the different types of consulting, which is going to be really useful for their career journey and their career choices if consulting is something that they want to choose. And then finally, a really in-depth industry perspective.
The benefits of working with the Essex MBA group is that it gives us perspective, it gives us insights from an academic perspective, what kind of the new people coming through, what skills they're acquiring, and what they're looking for actually from a consultancy.
As someone that's always looking for new ways to innovate myself, I believe today provided me with the right skill sets.
Today's day is not what I expected. I thought it's gonna be a one-way session where they just talk and you listen and you take some notes and that's it, but it is completely different from what I expected. So the session was, there was workshops, which I thought it's more like a class thingy, and workshops were interactive. We were in different groups and I got to meet another people from another batches whom I never interacted, so I guess I met new people as well.
The conversation has been experiential because we've been able to adapt what we've learned in class to what they've been able to teach as well. They've shared a number of insights around the skills, knowledge, competencies required to be a successful consultant. I think those are just my key learnings and takeaway from today.
From a personal perspective, the benefits for me for engaging with the Essex MBA is actually given me a chance to give back to others. Throughout my career, I've had lots of people who have mentored me and have helped me to shape the type of consultant I would like to be. And this is a chance for me to do the same for others and help them to understand the opportunities that are available to them in the wider world. I think from an Inoapps perspective, so the organisation I'm here representing today, it's a chance for us to see some of the future talent that we might be able to acquire once they've finished their MBA and they're ready to enter the world of consulting.